Hello, everyone. It is Friday, September 25th, 26th, and today we have $11,495.06 in our investment portfolio. I deposited like 340, so really it was like 11,100, but we're not gonna talk about that. We took 2 trades for a loss today. Negative $100 on Tesla, and this one, negative 100 on Coinbase. Why did we have a negative 100 on Coinbase? Simply because our entry was wrong. With Tesla, let me also check that out. I didn't really check that out too much. Let's look at the Tesla chart, because I went for puts on Tesla today. Oh yeah, so completely wrong, because I got in right around, I think, 426, and it had made some sort of up move in this down candle. It's just that it moved so much, it just stopped me out. It probably went back up to like 430, and it eventually did go down to like kind of where I was looking at it to go. I guess I don't know, but that was a bad trade. Now for Coinbase, this one, I took a call on it around 305. Yes. And so it stopped it got me out for the loss at 303.91, and then it takes off. So that was very I'm not gonna say it's frustrating, because I've seen it all too many times happen already. All I can say is that eventually, one of these days, we're gonna get it, and when we get it, it'll offset the losses that we've made, because we're not going to lose any more than $100 per trade. I don't except okay I'll make the exception of these trades over here, like this BAH trade. I'm holding this one, and also these Webull contracts. I want to get out, but I need to, I think, start to have negative $100 per trade, even on swing trades, negative 1%, because I see how there's certain trades I took that were they weren't bad trades. It's just that they're not the right trades for my account size, such as MicroStrategy. I had taken a call yesterday for an expiration of December 19th, and I had got in at 305, right, betting on the upside of MicroStrategy, but it had gone all the way down to 294, and so then it obliterated my stop, which was at negative 500. Now, where did I get this negative $500 amount in my head from? I have no clue. However, I was thinking about it like this: if I had $50,000 in my account, then I could take a trade like that for a swing, because it's negative $500 down. It's $10 down. $10 down for the swing trade is how far I'm willing to go, right? However, I don't have an account that is big enough to always take a thing $500 down. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's what I need to edit in my strategy, how much I'm losing, because when I win big sometimes, but a lot of the times I lose more than I've won. So I think it's the risk management. The risk management is what is frying my account. You see all these ups and these downs. It's like I always get back up, I always get down, I always get up, I always get down. But what if we can just reduce the amount of times it went down so violently? Then we'd be looking at a way bigger number in our portfolio today. So it's all in the damn, I forgot the words. In the risk management. So I lost, in realized profit, I lost $200 on the day. That is fine. That's completely fine. With me. But other than that, I'd look for NVTS to go down. I would like for OKLO to go down. I had gotten almost 3 shares of OKLL in the past week. It was up at $104, and it's already down tremendously from that point. And this is a 2 times long ETF, so it's leveraged. I'd hope for OKLL and OKLO to have a really nice pullback so that I can eventually get in. OKLO was literally at 140. Yeah, 140 in September. That is pretty insane. Can't lie. And maybe I'd take a swing trade on NVTS. That one is not too bad. But Lulu and this is where we're at, guys, in the portfolio. We're still keeping on, and we keeping on. Every single day we're gonna show up to this until we get what it is that we're looking for. All right, do not quit. Whoever is listening to this, if you're joining along for the ride, do not quit. It's when you want to quit where you have to push the hardest. That's when you show up. When you don't feel like you can, just show up. Just show up. Show up and put in some work. And then you'll experience the rewards later on. All right, this is where we're at in our portfolio. But I see all these moves. I see all these as lessons. They're all lessons to become more disciplined, to become better at managing ourselves, managing our emotions, managing our strategy, how we do things. And with that, I'll say peace. Have a good one. It's Friday. Traders don't like the weekends. I don't like the weekends anymore, to be honest with you. I used to, but now I'm like, wow, Monday is my favorite. Monday is my favorite day now, guys. It's like I have opportunities, an opportunity to capitalize on. That's what, and that's also what the rich think too. They love Mondays. Oh man, Mondays? When people go to work, that means more opportunity, more money, more. Come on. You gotta love Mondays, and you have to hate Fridays and Saturdays and Sundays. Like, you gotta, yeah. I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a good one. Come locked, come loaded. Win or loss, it doesn't matter, guys. What it is about who you become, the lessons that you're learning along the way. That's the most important part of the psychology, in my opinion. You have to detach away from the money and literally just see it as a number, as for what it is. And we gonna make it. Peace.